Hello everyone. Let me teach you how to use a DC stabilized voltage power supply. Briefly introduce the panel functions. Pay attention to the positive and negative polarity. Voltage and current adjustment knobs. Click to select Adjust Units. Maximum voltage 30, adjustable to 2 decimal places. Maximum current 5, adjustable to 3 decimal places. Memory channel function. Store 4 channels and modify channel parameters. Custom parameters protection. Adjust the required value. Select protection function. Long press to save the corresponding channel. Power output button. Lights on when output. Lights off when no output. Ampere and milliamp switching. Ampere meter must be purchased separately. The default display is amps, which switches to milliamps when the light comes on. Set to 8.4 volts as maximum. Voltage limited to 8.4 volts. Constant current and constant voltage. Constant voltage mode. Constant current mode. Reaching 5 volts. Fast regulation to 5 volts. Continuous overcurrent protection. Alarm when short circuit or exceeding set value. Single overcurrent protection. You need to restart manually to output the voltage again. Fast charging port. Supports QC 3.0 and PD 2.0 fast charging protocols, up to 30 watts. Fixed output USB interface. Fixed output 5 volt 3 ampere. Adjustment output interfaces. Note: be sure to set safe voltage and current. Panel lock function. Except for the power button and the buzzer setting, all other buttons and knobs are locked. In the locked state, the buzzer can be turned on or off.